Hey students, this is my new watercolor painting. You can see the reference photo and also the my watercolor painting. So mostly students confused one thing, that either we have to do wet on wet or wet on dry before start of the watercolor, any watercolor painting. So I have wet this all area and then start the from the clouds. Okay, so there is no you don't need to confuse, so just watch my video and do it as I did this watercolor, and we will discuss some important points, how to blend and how to soften the edges of the clouds, dark clouds with the white clouds. So I have left some spaces. If you see the white spaces, I have totally left the spaces so that the tonal values of the white clouds remain that is as it is, as they are shown in the picture. Now going to lift up some sorts of the colors from different points, like here and somewhat here, so you can see almost it's done, almost is going to complete. So a little bit touching we are doing right now. Some sorts of the colors over here, and you can see I'm lifting the color pigments. Hello dear students, so I have introduced my this landscape painting in which you can learn the white clouds, how to paint the white clouds in watercolor, and also some sorts of the reflection of the clouds over this area. So you can see the reference pic and you can see my watercolor painting. So you will learn all the things which I done in this painting, and